SDG 17?
Partnerships?
Anong palakasin?
Ano yan? Goals ba to?
SDG?
Ano ba yan? May 17 pala?
17?
Good day everyone. Today I will talk about Sustainable Development Goal number 17, also known as Partnerships for the Goals. SDG 17 is about working together to solve problems in our society. It reminds us that big challenges like poverty, climate change, lack of education, and poor healthcare cannot be solved by one group alone. Governments, schools, businesses, communities, and even young people must cooperate and support each other. In our society, SDG 17 works when different sectors share resources, ideas, and skills. For example, the government can partner with schools to improve education, businesses can support environmental projects, and communities can work with organizations to help people in need. Through partnerships, projects become stronger and more effective. SDG 17 can also be used in our daily lives. We practice it when we volunteer, join community programs, support local initiatives, and work as a team. Even small actions like cooperation in school activities show the spirit of partnership. In conclusion, SDG 17 teaches us that unity and cooperation are the keys to achieving a better and more sustainable future for everyone.